We're going to look at a range of arithmetic operators. Before we begin, we're going to write down two variables. So both these variables are integers, and we're going to experiment using these two variables and using the variety of operators. So we've got two variables there, num1 and num2. So the first operator we're going to apply to them is the minus. So we're going to do num equals num1 minus num2. And then if we print that out, so we do print, if we do num1, and then we do comma, then we do minus, comma, num2, and then we do equals, comma, num. You can probably guess what that's going to print out, but we're going to run this through anyway, just to show that. So if we go File, Save As, we'll call this Operators, and then save that, and then we'll do Run Module. Oops, mistake there. So I missed the comma off there, so a mistake there. So comma. Let's run that through again. File, run module, and there we go. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So that's pretty straightforward. Next, we're going to look at the plus operator. So again, very straightforward. I'm going to copy that and then paste that there, and I'm just going to change the operator to plus, change the operator here to plus, and again, if I run that through, there should be no surprises here. 10 plus 3 is 13. Brilliant. Next, I'm going to look at the divide. And so if you do num1, divide by num2, and again, just do divide. And I'm actually going to do together as well. I'm going to multiply as well. So let's copy that and apply the multiplication operator. So that's a star. If you're familiar with using spreadsheets, then we use exactly the same operators there. So the slash and the star we use for dividing and multiplying respectively. So we've got those four basic operators there. So let's run that through, and when we do so, you'll find that there's no surprises there. So if I just do run module, and there you can see. So the output there, 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 plus 3 is 13, 10 divided by 3 is 3 1/3, 10 by 3 is 30. Let's have a look at a few more operators. So I'm going to look at the power operator now. So if I just copy that and modify that as before, so if I do star star, so what this means now, num1 to the power num2. So num1 is 10 to the power 3. So what we're doing is going 10 by 10 by 10, and if we give that, so our answer should be for this should be 1,000 when we run that through. So let's just check that. So yes, there is 1,000. So 10 to the power 3 is 1,000. Another useful operator is the integer division operator. So let's just have a look at how that works. Now, integer division in Python, we use the double slash, and let's just change that. So if we run this through, you can see what happens. So we know that 3 goes into 10 3 1/3 times. But what the answer gives us is when we use the integer division, it gives us 3. Now, in that situation, all we're interested in is the integer value. We're not interested in anything that comes after the decimal point. So effectively, we're always going to round down, and we truncate everything after the decimal point. So 3 goes into 10 3 times and 1/3, but we don't worry about the third. We're just interested in the integer part of that. The final operator I want to introduce you to is the modulus operator. Now, with the modulus operator, when we run this, what we're getting is in fact the remainder. So let's have a look at how that works. The modulus operator in Python is defined using the percentage symbol. So let's put that in there. And if I save that and run that, you can see what I mean by the remainder. So let's just do that. So we've got 10 3, so 3 goes into 10 3 times with a remainder of 1. So our answer there is 1.